Teen Talk Show with Dr. Seena Devar, founder ACE Academy. Today we have a very sweet little angel with us. Her name is Harshita, and she has just stepped into her teens, and she has lots to speak. So, on behalf of uh, ACE Academy, I welcome you, Harshita.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Harshita, our viewers would like to know more about you. Can you just introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Harshita, please.
I am Akshita and I am studying 7th standard in Lakshmi School. I love pets and I am best in sports, ma'am.
Okay. What sports do you play?
Ma'am, everything.
Everything means your favorite sport. Which is your favorite sport?
Badminton, coco, throw ball.
Badminton, kho and throwball. Okay, you all still play kho. You love kho playing. I was a kho player at school long back when I was in 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. I was a kho player and I played for district level and state level also. So have you gone to district and state level to play kho?
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, for coco I have went district and badminton state, ma'am.
Badminton state level. Wow. So do you go for a badminton practice?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what is your timing? What time do you go for practice?
Ma'am, 4 to 5 and sometimes 4 to 6.
For a daily evening,
Yes, ma'am.
4 to 6 you practice. Okay. So and when do you practice kho? You practice only at school?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. And I also heard that you are very fond of animals.
Yes, ma'am. I
Yes.
love
So
animals.
your voice is not clear, Harshita. You have to be clear. It's breaking. Your voice is breaking. If somebody else is using the network, ask them just not to switch it off. Only yeah, your voice is breaking. So can you be loud? Yes,
Ma'am,
yes. So Harshita, can you tell me what made you love animals? Why is that you love animals so much, and which animals you love, and what do you do for animals?
I keep food and help animals which they need, ma'am.
Ah.
Many times I have helped animals by keeping food and wounding their hurt.
Okay, if they are hurt, you take care of you give them some treatment. You take care of the wounds. Yes, very good. Oh, very nice. So what food do you give for which animal? What food you give? For dog, what should we give for dog?
Ma'am, for dog we have to give something nutritious and which is good for them, ma'am.
What is
We should
nutritious
not.
for them? What is nutritious for them? You know?
They mostly use bones for calcium, ma'am.
Okay, fine. For cats, what do you give for cats?
And for cats, fish.
Okay. And do you keep anything for birds?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you keep for birds?
Sunflower, sunflower seeds and
Hmm.
soft green vegetables.
Soft green. Okay, okay, okay. Very good. Where did you learn all these things? How to take care of animals? Where did you learn all these things?
By watching videos and reading books, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if I how should I take care of a dog?
You should take walking 4 times a day and weekly twice we have to make it bath and we should be aware of the insects which is going near to it.
Okay.
We have to play with it more than 4 times, ma'am. It would love you if you play with it more than an hour or 2 hours, ma'am.
Okay. So, how many pet animals you have at home?
4, ma'am.
Oh, oh God, lovely. Which are the animals you have, Harshita?
Rabbits, dog, and chicks and cocktails.
Okay, my God. How many rabbits you have?
2.
Two rabbits. Okay, beautiful. So you are doing a great job, Harshita, taking care of animals. So you'll be an environmentalist, right? Taking care and animal welfare. So you can take care of all these things. Okay. So that's very nice to know. And Harshita's academics, how are you in academics, Harshita?
Little equal to sports, ma'am.
Okay. So which is your favorite subject?
Biology.
Biology is your favorite. So what are you aspiring to be? What do you aspire to be in future? Have you thought about it or you haven't thought about it?
I'm zoophilist and as well as in sports, ma'am.
Okay, good, good. That's very nice. Zoophilist, that's very nice. Okay. And now, Harshita, we know little bit of Harshita now. All the viewers also know Harshita. So Harshita should relax and smile. Okay. And Harshita, now there is some critical questions that I'll ask you. You have to think and answer. Take your time. I'm not going to ask you very difficult question. Imagine that Harshita is in an island. You know island, you know what is island? Surrounded with water on all sides. It's a lonely island, and Harshita is stuck up in that island. Okay, you are alone in that island. What would you like to take? Suppose you are alone and you are allowed to take only three things. You are allowed to keep only three things with you, not human beings, only things. So what three things would you like to have on that island?
Ma'am, animals,
Okay, okay. Why animals, dear?
they help us, ma'am.
They help us. They'll play with Harshita. So Harshita will have full day time pass. Very good. Animals. Then what else?
Food.
Food to eat. Okay. So you can eat the food and you can survive. So animals also will have food. You will also have food. Next. You have animals, you have food, and what else? One more thing you'd like to have on an island.
Materials.
Huh?
Camping materials.
You are allowed to have only three. How many things you are asking? Camping materials are so many.
A boat, ma'am.
A boat to escape from there. Yes. Okay. Beautiful. Very good answer, Harshita. Very good answer. But you are answering only in one word answers. You are used to that school, I think, answering in one word. Yes. So I don't want one word answers. I want at least brief answers. Okay. So good things. So all the things that you said were, why do you want a boat?
We can go and search for something which is needed for us. We can go to the nearby islands for food or something which is needed.
You can search. Okay, good. Smart answer, but very good. Okay, now my next question. You know what is a nuclear family? Harshita?
A father, mother, and
Children. Okay. You know what is a joint family?
with all the
Yes, with your grandparents, with your uncles, with your aunts. So which one you prefer? You prefer joint family or you prefer nuclear family?
joint family.
Yes, joint family. Why do you prefer joint family?
Because all our cousins and grandparents and mothers, fathers can be joined and we can be very happy and we can play also, ma'am.
Yes, you can play. So how many cousins you have, Harshita?
Ma'am, many, ma'am.
Many means tell how many. Count and tell me. You have time. Count how many. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10. How many you have?
More than 35, ma'am.
35 cousins. Really? Okay, cousins means I'm just talking about mummy's brother's children or mummy's sister's children or daddy's brother's children, daddy's sister's children. Huh?
My age and smaller, like children, ma'am.
Children. Okay, cousins. Okay. So you will be happy to stay with them. Why you want grandparents? Why do you think grandparents should stay with us?
They are more knowledgeable than us, ma'am. They know many things about us and how to take care of many things.
Yes, very good. So they know, they are experienced people. They know what life is all about. And if old elder people are there at home, they can tell you stories, they can guide you, they can help you, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Where are your grandparents, Harshita?
I'm in my house, ma'am.
They are staying with you only? You are happy to have them with you? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer. Don't, no nodding your head. No nodding your head. You have to answer, okay? Very good. You answered very well. Now, next is like if you were reborn again, now you are Harshita, okay? And next birth, Artha Janmam. If next birth you were like blessed to be born as an animal, which animal would you like to be born as and why? Think and answer. Which animal you like to be born as?
I'm dog.
Dog. Why a dog, Harshita?
Ma'am, it will be brave and it will help the humans in many things, ma'am. It is very kind and novel, loyal animal, ma'am.
It's a loyal house. It helps birth. Am I right, Harshita?
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
able to hear me? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now, so if you are born as a dog, what name should I keep? How should I call you? What name would you prefer?
Anything which is smart and comfortable.
Yeah,
Comfort,
tell me one name. Just suggest one name.
like
Huh?
Max.
One second, one second. I'm not able to hear you. Repeat it again, Harshita.
Max. Max.
Max. Okay, done. Okay, very nice name that is. Short and sweet. Yes. Okay. If Harshita, your critical situation round is over, you answered very well. Okay. Now we are going to fast forward round. Who is your favorite, mom or dad, and why?
Ma'am, dad.
Dad, why?
He will not scold and he will get whatever things I need, ma'am.
Ah, this is what all fathers do, you know. Mothers, you know what, Harshita? Mothers are there at home all the time. And mothers take care of everything. Mothers have to take care of you, of your brother, of cooking, of going to school, coming back. And mothers get irritated. Mothers keep shouting at you all the time, isn't it? They have to manage you the entire day. So what happens?
Yes,
Yes, they have to manage you the entire day. So they keep shouting, they get irritated. That's why children don't like their mothers so much. They like fathers because fathers come only for 1 hour, 2 hours in the evening at night. And just to show their love, fathers will bring so many things. Isn't it, Harshita?
ma'am.
Yes, fathers will come for 1 or 2 hours and they'll bring so many things like, Harshita, what do you want? And they'll bring whatever Harshita wants. So all kids mostly love their fathers and not their mothers. Okay, fantastic. Now, what do you prefer, Harshita? Homeschooling? Harshita, are you there? Yeah. You prefer homeschooling? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
You prefer homeschooling. That means homeschooling you prefer, or you prefer going to school.
Going,
Homeschooling is online classes. Online classes. You prefer online classes or you prefer going to school?
going to school.
Why? What's the difference? What's the difference between online class and going to school? What's the difference between these two?
We can't meet our friends and teachers on online. Ma'am. We can meet
Huh.
our teachers and friends in the school, ma'am.
You can meet your teachers and friends in school, but you can't meet them here. But this is nice, no? Sitting at home, you are on your sofa, eating, drinking, and listening to the class. Isn't it enjoyable?
It's boring, ma'am.
It's boring. I thought you children will enjoy sitting on the sofa, eating and sleeping and watch. How, when you're attending class, how do you sit?
Chair only, ma'am.
Chair only. You don't sleep, no?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, fine, fine. Now, do you have your own cell phone, Harshita?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you think 8th standard child needs her own cell phone? I can't hear you. Harshita, you have to answer. You have to speak up, Harshita. Come on, sweet girl you are. Do you think a 7th standard girl needs her own cell phone? Is it so important? I can't hear you, Harshita.
No, ma'am.
Some problem with your... No. Okay, why? Tell me, explain, talk. Talk. Why do you think you don't need? Then why you have taken a phone?
We use
Huh?
mobile. If we use mobile too much, we get attracted to it.
Yes. So what happens if you use too much of mobile? What will happen?
It causes some damage to our eyes and headache will often come.
Headache will come. How often do you use cell phone? How many hours in a day do you use cell phone?
Including online classes, 5 hours, ma'am.
5 hours. After online classes, without online classes, how many hours do you watch? Approximately 2-3 hours.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, should we use so much of cell phone, Harshita?
Ma'am.
In class 7, you have to give back your cell phone to your mom, isn't it? Okay, fine. In school, you go to school, you're studying in a very good school, Lakshmi school, you're studying. What are the values you have learned from this school? What has this school taught you? Values.
Be brave, confident, and always compassionate and helpful to others.
Okay, very good. Nice school that is, isn't it?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
many friends you have in school? Who are your best friends?
Everyone, ma'am.
Everyone. So at least some you have a group. Do you have a group of friends?
All our class girls will be as a group only, ma'am.
Okay, all class girls will be as a group. Best friend?
Shanmati, ma'am.
Shanmati. Okay, why is that she is your best friend? What is the more similarity between you and her?
She's also playing sports and academics, ma'am. Like me, ma'am.
Okay, 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 fine. And who is your favorite teacher at school?
A fifth standard teacher, ma'am.
Fifth standard teacher. What's her name? Huh?
Shanti, ma'am.
Shanti. Okay. Why? How is she different from other teachers? What is good about Shanti, miss?
She's a very kind and helpful teacher, ma'am.
So how has she helped Harshita?
She won't even scold any child, ma'am.
Oh, she doesn't scold. So you are naughty. Naughty children will be there troubling her, and she will not shout at you at all. That's why you like her. Yes,
She will be kind, ma'am.
she'll be very kind. Okay, fine. Now you have a brother at home, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So do you play with him? How often do you play? Like how many hours do you play with him? How much time do you spend with your brother?
And more than playing, we fight only, ma'am.
You fight. So what are the fights all about? What do you fight for?
For simple things, we fight, ma'am.
Like what? Tell me like what?
For getting the TV remote, ma'am.
For TV remote you fight. Then second, give me at least 4
For
things
sitting,
why you fight for. Second,
for sitting in the sofa.
huh?
For sitting in the sofa.
For sitting on the big, both of you can sit together, no?
No, ma'am, we won't sit like that, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Next, what else?
For playing the game which we want, ma'am. He says another game, I will say another game, ma'am.
Okay, so to play game. games, to okay, then to watch TV remote, then to sit on the sofa. Okay, very so you keep fighting. At last, who gives up? Who is more sacrificing? Who is more sacrificing, Harshita?
My brother only, ma'am.
Your brother. That means you are very stubborn, huh? Yes, you don't give up. So you are an elder sister, and elder sister should be more sacrificing. Elder sister, isn't it, Harshita? Yes. So from today, Harshita is not going to. You can fight, but you have to be sacrificing. And he's a little boy. You should help him, isn't it, Harshita?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now, do you back answer your mom, Harshita? Nowadays, young children like you, they back answer their parents. திருப்பி திருப்பி பதில் பேசுவாங்க. நீ அப்படி பண்ண do you do that, Harshita?
Sometimes I have this, ma'am.
Sometimes you do it. Why do we do that?
It automatically come, ma'am.
Harshita,
Ma'am, it
it
automatically
automatically
comes.
comes. you, oh, Harshita, I'm like, I'm so old. I'm already around 50 years old. But I have an elder sister. When we were like, even till now, we don't back answer even our elder sister and brothers. If my elder sister is shouting at me, even if she shouts at me or she corrects me for 15 minutes or 20 minutes, I just keep my mouth shut. I don't open my mouth at all. Harshita, yes. So, Harshita, why do you do that? Why do today's children do that? Back answer, back answer.
Today,
I think we should. Tell
today's
me.
children do it because moms get their phones back. So only they get irritated and they back answer their moms.
Mummies are asking for
Phone.
phone. Okay, okay. So, okay, you don't want to give the phone. That's why most of the fights are happening today for phones only, for cell phones only, isn't it? Okay. Now we should stop using cell phone. All of us, young children, should stop using cell phones. Online classes, fine. After online classes, give your cell phone to mom. Okay. Now, Harshita, imagine that you were the teacher in a classroom. You are a teacher. Imagine that you are a teacher. Okay. Now in your class, there is a very, very naughty boy. Okay. He doesn't sit in one place at all. He'll keep jumping and running and shouting and beating everyone in the class. How will Harshita take care of that boy? What will you tell him? How will you manage him?
Give him responsibles, ma'am.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful answer. Okay. What responsibilities you will give him?
By taking care of the class clean,
Hmm.
to be disciplined,
Yes, okay.
to make children understand,
Okay.
and automatically he will turn into
Oh,
a
automatically he'll turn good boy. Okay, okay. Your answer was very cute, very nice answer. The first one I liked is you have to give them responsibilities. And then what you said, give them responsibilities and also make them understand. Okay, good. Very good, Harshita. Harshita, what do you, any message you have for all the teenagers like you? Do you want to tell your friends anything? Any good message you want to give to your teenage friends?
to not use mobile too much, ma'am.
Speak, talk to the audience. Look at the audience. Don't look at me. Look at the audience. Look at the camera. Yes, look at the camera. Now tell your friends what is your message. Talk at least 10 lines. Let me see. Don't feel scared. I'm there with you. Tell at least 10 lines that you want to tell your friends. Come on, Harshita.
don't use mobile too much. It will hurt your eyes and it will cause damage even.
Huh.
You do exercise daily to be
Hmm.
fit and healthy. Eat
Oh,
green vegetables and be healthy.
okay. Next.
Mm,
Very good advice. Very good. What else? Talk to them about animals. Tell them about animals also. Anything that you want to tell about animals.
help animals that you can. How much you can help them because they don't know how to take care of something which is more important.
Okay. Very good. And what's your message to your auntie, to me, and all the elder people, moms and dads, to all the moms and dads? What's your message, Harshita?
To be happy always.
Oh, so sweet. Your mommy, now if we have to be happy, children have to keep us happy, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And how children can make their parents happy?
By taking their work and doing it.
Yeah, by supporting their mother, by supporting their father, like,
Yes,
and doing little bit of household responsible. If teenagers like if young girls and boys like you are responsible and you take care of yourself at home, I'm sure all parents will be happy. Isn't it, Harshita?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. So
Yes, ma'am.
from today you have to see that you keep your, yeah, from today you have to see that you keep. Now very soon, next Sunday, this sweet Teachers Day. What plans you have for Teachers Day? What are you going to do special for your teacher?
I give
Any
gifts
plans you have?
when we go
No
to
gifts.
school.
Anything else that you can? Okay, when you go to school, now you're not going to school. So how will you, wish your teacher?
Yes, ma'am. I will wish, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. How will you wish her? By giving her a card or sending her flowers or writing a poem for her or writing a story for her? How will you wish her and make
By
her happy?
about her.
Yeah. What?
By writing a poem or a song.
Yes, yes. Try to write a poem for her, okay? Harshita, it was so wonderful talking to you, Harshita, and interacting with you. A small girl, you are just stepped into your teenage and so excited, yes, and very shy also, as trying to bring out to make you speak. Yes, Harshita, and I really wish that God bless you and may yes, and one day I wish to see you as the animal activist. Start your own NGO, your own organization, and take care of all the animals. Yes, and I'll come to see you one day. Okay, Harshita? Yeah, do a no work for a noble cause. Work for a noble cause. God bless you, Harshita, and thank you to your viewers for being with us. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay positive until we meet again. Thank you so much, Harshita. Thank you again.
Thank you, ma'am.